Hello everyone, welcome into Laguna, Niguel Hyundai. My name is Jacob O'Neill, I'm one of the sales representatives here. Today we are going to be going over the 2022 Hyundai Tucson Park Assist. This vehicle feature is only limited on our limited model, but we do want to make sure we can explain the features to you. In order to make the Park Assist work, you want to do one thing first, is you want to lock the vehicle and make sure you remote start it. Once the vehicle is remote started, there's a button right here that says P forward. You want to press that one and hold it, the vehicle will move forward. Once you release the button, the vehicle will come to an abrupt stop. In order to make it go backwards, you want to press this button right here, which has an arrow pointing backwards towards the P. You press and hold that. Once you're actually inside the parking space, you can release it and the vehicle will stop. And I also do want to mention, you do need to be within about 5 feet of the vehicle in order to make this feature work. It is a radius to the vehicle, so you do need to be standing pretty close. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure your notifications are on. Please leave a comment down at the bottom with any questions or concerns. We would love to be able to reach out to you and help you out with your feature. Thank you so much.